2013 Chrysler 300, the bad boy car. This is my mom's car. Owned this car for about 4 years now. 177,000 miles. This one's gonna hit 200,000 miles. She's super dirty right now, so we're gonna give her a quick wash.
Oh, this thing is loaded.
You did that scrubbing yourself?
Yeah, you can do that. I don't know. The sun's going down fast.
Yeah?
Nah.
And this was mine, yeah?
Mm-hmm. That one's yours.
Job. And commit to it, man. That's
You have to commit 100%.
so strange.
But great.
I'm
Honestly,
scared.
if I were you, I wouldn't get a traditional job.
You wouldn't what?
I wouldn't get a traditional job. You know how long it's gonna take you to get $10,000 in a traditional job?
That's the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, this car just came out beautiful. Chrysler 300, baby.